Hi all.
Welcome to CDL.
Today we will see how to integrate a RADE tool with Visual Studio. So I have CA and RADE R27. So R27 is compatible with Visual Studio 2012. So we will see here how to integrate with Visual Studio. So I'll search first here Visual Studio. So I have Visual Studio 19 and 12 as well. Even I have Visual Studio Code, but as I told you, CATIA R27 and CA R27, CA RADE R27, it will compatible for only Visual Studio 12. So we'll see here whether it's earlier integrated or not. I will just click OK. Let it open. So this is the Visual Studio. Now it's freshly opened. So if you go in File and New, you see here 3ds workspace is missing. So here we don't have any option for 3ds workspace, create 3ds workspace, open 3ds workspace. Even if you go in tools options, here it is not available 3ds workspace here. So we will see here how to integrate with Visual Studio. I will close this. Now I will close Visual Studio. So this is my installation path. Here I have installed CAA, and in this path I have installed RADE tool. So go to WinB64 code bin, and here you can find here 3ds Open Native Apps extension 2012. So this is Microsoft Visual Studio extension. We can add this extension to Visual Studio. So let's double click on this extension. And you will see log where it is failing. Okay, yeah, this Visual Studio, this extension, 3ds extension is not installed because we have Visual Studio Professional 2019. So I think we need to uninstall that first, and then we can reinstall again. So one more time I will show you in Visual Studio 12 whether it's installed or not. So no, we don't have any extension here. So before that we have to uninstall our Visual Studio 19. Visual Studio 19 here. Here we can uninstall first. Okay, uninstalling completed here. Now we can reinstall again. Earlier it was failed because we had two versions, Visual Studio 2019 and Visual Studio 2012. So now I will double click on this extension. It will install properly. Keep this check and just install. Yes, now it is this extension completely installed. Now you can search Visual Studio 2012 and open Visual Studio 2012. Okay, so once we install extension 3ds extension, it will ask for a tck.init path. So here I have tck init already in this path. You can go in your RADE tool installation, Windows 64 code, and here you will get tck init back file. So you can copy this path. You can copy this path and mention here tck init. If you want, you can add here value as a cnex.h or keep as it is. This update runtime view after compilation is very helpful because many times developer will forget to update runtime view or mkrtv. So you can check this option. So it once you build, it will automatically do mkrtv. So here you can give company name and click OK. So once you click OK, you will get the option here in new 3ds workspace, and in open also you will get 3ds workspace. So once it will ask window here in 3ds workspace like solution explorer here and 3ds explorer. You can open from here also directly. If you want, you can create a new workspace here. If you want, you can so you can open existing workspace. So I will try to open one 3ds workspace here. Okay, now I have opened here. I have these two files. As of now, I don't have anything in my solution explorer. Now you can right click here in framework and add all to solution. So all framework and module will be visible in solution explorer. Now you can expand this in, let's say I will expand here cmd and I will get here. This is our file and this is .dgen file. Yeah, this is the .dgen file. We can build. If you want, you can update, force update for all module. Activate in debug mode. Yes, build done, build happened. So there is no error. You can ignore this intelligence error. You can right click here somewhere in here, right click and uncheck this show intelligence error. So you will get actual CA error. So ignore that intelligence error. Go to output. You can see there if there is any error or not. So there is no error means your workspace built successfully. Yeah, that's it for today's. Thank you. We'll meet in another video.